Alright, let's do the second video of the day, opening the eBay boxes. This one kind of heavy. Let's see what's inside. Okay, I think these are for repair, fix, restore trains. I think, yeah, these are for repairs. Okay, let's see what of these trains we can fix. Oh, it's working. Nice. You just gotta change the gear. The actual. Oh look, Emily's tender. That was in the other box. So we got Tomy chassis. Okay, we got maybes. Oh look, rusty. But the exterior looks good. So nice. This is gonna be a good restoration. I already done it, but we can do it again. Another Thomas. What happened to Thomas? Somebody put a cigarette in there? Wow, I don't know. Look, we got Rossi. It looks good. It's not too bad. We can fully restore it, or we can make the custom train, the blue one I made the other day. We can make another one. Okay, what's this? Dart. Oh, somebody broke it. Still can be used. This, I don't know, I don't remember. Okay, next. We found Ari. Okay, I think I have another, his brother. I don't remember the name. It looks clean, so it's good. I'm going to try to fix all the trains in a single video, or check the trains if they all work. We'll see. Okay, we have a snow covered diesel. This is part of the troublesome trucks. Snow covered. We'll find the set. I found Dart. Okay, nice. Ah, look, what's going on? This is Gordon's, the old indignity Gordon. Bananas covered. It used to have another banana sticker, maybe. I'm gonna try to restore this one. This I never restored this. I only peeled and put the stickers again. Once I found Boozy as a big James. I don't know if the tender is here. Okay, what's next? We got Rusty from Heat Toy Company. What's inside? Rusty, nice, not bad. Oh, look. This is a Thomas Mattel mud covered Thomas. Might be a rarest Thomas. We'll see. Okay, next we have Bill. Oh, looks pretty good outside. Cosmetic condition is really good. Next. Okay, we found Percy. It's already open and it looks clean. I bet you that this only needs a little jump up with the 5 volts and it will run, I think. Next find is Paxton. yeah, Paxton diesel engine. Look, it looks really clean to me. The seller claimed it was for parts of restoration, but for me this looks good. Ah, look, another map Maybes. Looking good, looking really good. Nice. One more Maybes. What's next? Oh, Billy. I never store one of these, but this is gonna be a good. I mean, this is not needed, but I have another broken one that need to full restorations. I'm gonna use this to copy and print the sticker for the older one I have. Okay, we have Tolkien Fling. Does not come with the battery cover, so I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Okay, next we have a Tolkien James. No batteries in it. New stickers required. That's good. It's okay. Okay, Emily, Hitachi Company. And we have Zero Handle is from Mattel 2010. Looks nice from the outside. And I found another Tolkien Henry. I bet you the owner didn't know how to replace the batteries. Anyways, we found broken James. See, the roof is broken in the corner. I can use this for spare parts. Okay, next. Ooh, look, a Gordon with the battery cover. It's really hard to find. This gets lost almost, you know, after 2 months of getting. People used to get it lost, but this is complete, so I'm gonna fix this. Somebody already changed the wires, but it looks good. What's next? Oh, another Gordon. This is from Mattel. See the difference? This does not have a lining here, and this one does. Even the eyebrows are smaller on the I think it's Hitachi Company. Yes, Hitachi Company. Mattel did put some lining on the trains, but good find for me. Okay, next we have Stanley looks pretty good. Is the name of the previous owner. It might be a little corrosion in there. It's heavy. I feel the battery inside. Okay, next I found Look. It looking in good condition. The cosmetic conditions are looking good, really good. I found Duck. Excuse me. Battery compartment looks clean, no problems. So good. I found Toby right here. Okay, here is Toby's chassis. So it's good. The face is not bad. Even the tab is clean. What do you guys think? Huh? You like it? Good, huh? Okay, we're almost done. I found James tender, but look, here's the battery cover. It's good, fine. This goes right here. Okay, next I have a couple shells. Look, oh wow, I think I found the complete set from the previous video. Here is the chassis. Let me find the part, maybe I'll do it in another video. Okay, and I found another Gordon. Let's see what's. Okay, I found Harvey's motorized coach. So here is the top. Cool. We have Charlie right here. Looks good. And now we have diesels. Just the top. Diesel 10. It only has the top bottom, no motor. It's missing the wheels. Another battery cover, I think it's for Emily's tender. Oh, look at this, Edward. This is gonna be for a good restoration. Nice. Nice. I mean, I already did a restoration for Edward, but I'm gonna restore it. Not gonna upload the video. But I'm gonna fix it and select a couple of screws, wheels for, I think, maybes, and one of those diesel engines, and the last one is splatter. Looks really nice, clean. Let's see how it looks inside. This kind of trains always get stuck. Okay, battery compartment is a little loose, but it looks clean. Okay, what do you guys think about this unboxing? You like the new trains we are gonna fix? We may find some restorations, maybe for splatter. We're gonna find out what's going on with this. I'm gonna make a restoration with Billy and others. So let's see if we can find another day to fix and restore and show you. Okay, so see you next time. Bye.